Okay, now you have successfully installed DNS service. You will see this message: installation succeeded. So close the window. The next step is to check if DNS server is running correctly. Okay, if DNS server is actually running. So we have to go to Start, Admin Tool, and Services, and then you should look for DNS server. DNS. So you see the DNS server is started already and automatic. So now we know that DNS server is running, and this is just for the verification purpose. So of course, let's just find out the IP address of 2008 server. However, for the VMware users, this IP address may be different, so be aware. So go to Start, Command Prompt, and let's say IP config, and that's 192.168.0.20. So you write that write that IP address down here, 192.168.0.20, and then go to Windows 7. And then you go to Control Panel, and then Network Internet, and then select Local Area Connections, and go to Properties, and select IPv4, and then Properties. So now this is what used to be 8, say 888, right, which is a public IP address of a public Google DNS server. So now we'll change the IP address to what? This IP address of 2008 server. So for me, for this particular 2008 server, it's 192.168.0.20. So I'm going to put that IP address down, 192.168.0.20, and then I say OK, then close, and then close. Okay, now from Windows 7, from the client VM, now we need to verify that actually everything works. Make sure that that this caching only name server is working fine. If there's no, so we have to verify that. So to do that, we're gonna run this ns lookup command. Okay, so go to cmd, I'm gonna just increase this window size a little bit, and then I have to say ns lookup. So time down means DNS server is not ready. So we'll just wait in a few seconds, and let's try to find out the IP address of let's see, hp.com. Okay, now finally it takes some time because this is your first time trying this, so it'll take some time, but eventually they found out that the IP address for the hp.com is 15.192.45.139. And let's when I type let's see, Google, let's say www.google.com, and this is the IP address of the Google. Oops, sorry. It's 173.194.37.51. So they basically returns 5 IP addresses for the Google web server. www means a web server. And then this 192.168.0.20 is the IP address of the local DNS server that this Windows 7 machine uses. That's the IP address. Okay, so we finish the last part. Okay, so let me just stop recording.